गोंयांत इंडस्ट्री हाडपाक फाटल्या 2 वर्सांत सरकार IPB वरवीं 150 प्रोजेक्ट प्रपोजलां पास करून मेकळो जाला. मात ह्या उद्देगांक लायट, उदक, पार्किंग, मॅनपावर खंयची काय म्हूण सुरवातीसान बोवाळ. आतां कुंकळेचे उद्देगांनी सरकाराचे IDC इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर एक्सपोज केलां. एका जुलय म्हयन्यांतूच इंडस्ट्रीवाल्यांची पावर सप्लाय सारको नाशिल्ल्यान 126 वरां फुकट गेलीं. म्हणल्यार दिसाक 4 वरां.
There are other problems. Water supply is not continuous. We are getting maybe 6 hours, 8 hours supply. But compared to power, everything has, roads are not so great. But compared to power, everything has gone into the back burner. Since 99, we are suffering with power. Earlier there was an issue wherein the power guzzling units used to take the power, and then we had this thing which was sorted out in due course of time. But after that, over a period of time, the situation today is such that we have gone from bad to worse. Total power situation, we have lost close to exactly 126 hours in 1 month of July. 126 hours in the 31 days of July. And this includes 71 trippings in a day, in overall in the month, 71 trippings. And so on an average, if you take out for over a 30 days period, it works out to 4 hours on an average per day. If we lose power at 4 hours per day, how do you expect an industrial unit to function? Today, our products are getting deteriorated, our equipment is deteriorating, our product quality is suffering, our yields are being affected, so our costs are increasing because of continuous shutdown. On top of that, our the equipment, as I said, is already deteriorating, and then our market is getting affected, most importantly. Customers have lost faith in us, and because of that, many of the smaller units, the bigger units are suffering. They are taking a hit in losses. Smaller units are on the verge of getting closed down. The first step that may happen in this thing will be that some of the units may retrench their labor, which will be a loss to the society. Then we will have some units closing down, and the entire productivity loss because of the power supply failure is a loss not only to the industry, not only to the state, it's a national loss.
सरकारान ह्या असल्या उद्देगांचो प्रश्न खंय पयलीं तडीक लावचो.
We have written to executive engineer, we have written to chief engineers. Earlier also we have written to power department. We have approached through Goa State Industries Association. Now we have taken that step also. We have requested Goa State Industries Association, of which even I am an executive member. We have requested the president to take initiative and help us in solving this problem, which they have said that they will cooperate. But till the government decides that this has to be solved, this problem will not be solved.
IPBन पास केल्ले 150 उद्देग फाल्यां सुरू जाले जाल्यार तांचे लायट, उदक आनी मॅन पावराचें कितें जातलें ताचो अदमास कुंकळेच्या परिस्थिती वयल्यान येवंक पुरो. सरकार आनी IDCक एक्सपोज करपाक आनीक कितें जाय? प्रुडंटा खातीर विश्वेश प्रभुदेसाय.